If you want to remove any favorite contact from your Redmi Watch 5 Lite or from your Redmi Watch 5 Active, here's how to do that. Now you may have added a contact to your watch, and to access any contact or any favorite contact you've added, press the side button on your watch and scroll through until you find the Contacts app. So tap on the Contacts app like that, and you'll be able to see all the contacts that you may have added on your watch. Now to remove them, you can only do that through the Mi Fitness app. So ensure that your watch and the phone that it's connected to are within proximity range of each other, so that they can be able to communicate or sync. Then launch the Mi Fitness app. Just go back. When you launch the app, this is the page that you're going to land on. And if you're not on this page, ensure you're on the Devices tab or Device tab. So on the Device tab, select the Apps option. And under the Apps option, you're going to see your favorite contacts. So tap on your favorite contacts, and you'll see them listed here as well. So if you want to remove any contact, simply tap on this edit button up here. So tap on it. And as you can see, red minus circles have appeared next to the contact. So to remove a contact, simply tap on the red button like that to remove all your contacts. And after you've removed all the contacts that you want to remove, tap on the check mark to confirm. And now your changes are going to be synced to your watch. And now when you come back to the watch, go back to the Contacts app once again, tap on it. You'll no longer see any contacts on your watch. So that's basically how to remove contacts from your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and from your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Take care and God bless.